Okay, so happy Friday. We are going to be doing what? Unboxing some, unboxing some things from Amazon, and y'all know I got that Prime membership. hmm Y'all, Coco sitting right there. Can y'all see her good? Coco sitting there, sure. Coco. So y'all can see Coco. She relaxing. Hope everyone is having a nice Friday. Me and Coco is. So y'all, I used my Amazon. I ordered either from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon and Instacart. I ain't playing. And I love that convenience. That way I don't have to drive and get this and drive and get that. Now when they could deliver it. Okay, y'all know I love to be nice and clean. What we got in this one? Fabuloso. I'm gonna bring the camera up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. Yes, y'all. You want a clean house? Uh-huh. Yeah. And we're gonna be sweeping and mopping today. Yes, we are. And this is gonna last me very long. Cause you know what? This is some good dishwashing soap. All you need is a drop. All you need is a drop, and you will have a lot of bubbles. No joke. Okay. I think I caught a sale on that. hmm You know those Black Friday sales. And let's see what this is. Okay, value size cinnamon ground. I love to put cinnamon in my coffee, in anything that I can put it in. Yeah, hot oatmeal. Uh-huh. Let's see what this one is. I ordered um, some accessories for my new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I ordered a case for it. Yeah, I was having so. You know how you activate your phone when you get a new phone? I was about to go crazy up in there with that. I was having a hard time. Trying to activate it. But it's done. Okay, y'all. Let's put them on the table. Okay, here we have none other than the charcoals. I love different incense, frankincense, myrrh, calamus. I love good smell in my home, so yes, got some more of these. And y'all know I be wearing my hair wraps. I got two of these. And you could get them in different colors. Let me show y'all all the different colors you can get them in. Okay, you got the white, red, navy blue, royal blue, and then you got sky, and then you have sky blue, and I see a pink in there, and a gray. So I'm going to start ordering some of those different colors. These are very fashionable. These are very fashionable. Okay, that is all we have right now for the first round of our Amazon unboxing. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Happy Friday, y'all.